Are you a woodworking enthusiast looking to take your skills to the next level? Or maybe you're just starting out and looking for some inspiration? Either way, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to take a closer look at Teds Woodworking and see what this popular woodworking program has to offer. First, let's start with the basics. Teds Woodworking is a comprehensive woodworking program that includes over 16,000 plans and projects for woodworkers of all levels. From simple beginner projects to more advanced builds, this program has something for everyone. Follow the link below to get started. Look out for the special offers and bonuses. Ted McGrath is the creator of Teds Woodworking and a well-known woodworking expert. With over 20 years of experience in the industry, he's the perfect person to teach you the ins and outs of woodworking. So, what exactly do you get with Teds Woodworking? Let's take a closer look. If you're a beginner, Teds Woodworking is the perfect place to start. The plans are easy to follow, and with Ted's guidance, you'll quickly build your skills and confidence. But if you're an experienced woodworker, Teds Woodworking has something for you, too. With plans for every skill level, you'll find new challenges and techniques to master. When you sign up for Teds Woodworking, you get instant access to over 16,000 plans and projects. You also get access to a members-only area where you can connect with other woodworkers, share your projects, and get feedback and advice from experts. Teds Woodworking offers plans for every type of woodworking project, from small home decor pieces to large outdoor structures. You can even find plans for furniture, toys, and more. One of the best things about Teds Woodworking is that the plans are incredibly detailed and easy to follow. Each plan includes step-by-step instructions, a materials list, and clear diagrams to guide you through the entire process. But if you're more of a visual learner, Teds Woodworking also includes a bonus, video tutorials that walk you through the process of building various projects. These videos are perfect for beginners who are just starting out and want to see exactly how each step is done. And if you're always on the go, Teds Woodworking also has a mobile app that lets you access all of the plans and tutorials from your phone or tablet. This is perfect for woodworkers who want to take their projects with them and work on them whenever they have a free moment. Another great feature of Teds Woodworking is that you can request custom plans drafted for you by a team of experienced craftsmen, with full support to complete your project. This means that if you want to tweak a design to fit your specific needs or preferences, you can easily do so. This is a great way to make your projects truly your own. So, what kind of projects can you do with Teds Woodworking plans? That's a great question. The answer is pretty much anything you can imagine. With over 16,000 plans to choose from, there's a project for everyone, whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker. Let's take a look at some of the projects you can do with Teds Woodworking plans. One popular project for beginners is a simple garden chair. This is a great way to get started with woodworking and learn the basics of measuring, cutting, and assembling wood. For more experienced woodworkers, there are more complex projects like bookshelves, cabinets, and even outdoor furniture or toys and beds. The list is endless. And for those who want to get really creative, there are also plans for more unique projects like birdhouses and even musical instruments. If you're looking to make something for your home, Teds Woodworking has you covered with plans for bed frames, coffee tables, and even cabinets. And if you're more of an outdoor enthusiast, there are plans for everything from outdoor furniture to sheds. The possibilities are truly endless. No matter what project you choose, the detailed plans and clear instructions provided by Teds Woodworking will guide you through the process and help you create a beautiful, high-quality finished product. And the best part is, once you've completed your project, you'll have a tangible, functional piece of art that you can be proud of for years to come. Teds Woodworking is also incredibly affordable, with plans starting at just a few dollars. With such a comprehensive guide at your fingertips, it's an incredible value. But the real value of Teds Woodworking comes from the satisfaction you'll get from completing your own woodworking projects. There's nothing quite like the feeling of creating something with your own two hands. So if you're ready to take your woodworking skills to the next level, head to Teds Woodworking and see for yourself why it's the ultimate woodworking guide. Follow the link under this presentation to make use of this incredible offer and get some excellent bonuses as well. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We will be hosting videos on a regular basis and show more of what is available to you, hopefully thereby solving a problem you may have or showing a product that might interest you.